24 hours in order for it to be 100% sure. But in my experience, after you upload it, you can download it right away. And number 3, download the video. All the video you uploaded, and voila, your video has been repaired. This technique is discovered by me, Richard Belen, and first reveal on Belen Family Vlog. What's up? Looks like a normal. Why? Because I am trying now to spoken and I will try to speak in English. Why? Because my target audience is not only in Philippines but international. Today I discover a very powerful yet pre-recovery technique for your corrupted GoPro videos. If in any case you found your video has been corrupted like this, I know how frustrating to know that every videos you capture will not play because the written data to your disk is not well recorded. But first, let me tell you why your video has been corrupted like that. You know, I am also a GoPro user and all my videos in this channel is all captured by a GoPro Hero, and this is not my first time to have such videos. I captured a lot of most valuable event and to be cherished, but for some reason when I try to play the video, voila, all of them is corrupted. After getting some research how it become corrupted, well, based on my experience, I only get this error. I only get this error. I only get this error if there is a sudden power failure, a low quality memory card, and also an overheating GoPro devices. That 3 reason is the most common reasons why your video has been corrupted. Bating ko tong ulo ko. Bakit ka pa kasi nag-English at pwede naman Tagalog? Okay, but I know what you came. Sabi ko sa'yo, mag-Tagalog ka na lang Pa-English ka pa Sablay man. Di ba na? But I know what you came here is the solution. And this is the solution. And this is, di ba nga basahin mo maigi. And this solution I will give to you is my personal technique. No one on internet, big time, no one on internet will give it to you. Why? Because I am the only one. I am the only one who discovered this technique. Yabang na I am the only one who discovered this technique. So please, remember me. Oh, remember me. Remember my name. I am Richard Belen. And this technique is first revealed on this channel, Belen Family Vlog. Oh, I am the only one. And I am Richard Belen. And this is first revealed on Belen Family Vlog. Pagpasensyaan nyo na mga kaibigan, malay nyo, dahil doon mag-subscribe sila. Tapos maragdaan pa nila, Belen Family Vlog. O diba, napaka-astig. So, let's start. Diba, ang galing ng pronunciation ko. Starting. Yan. Let's start. Number 1, upload the corrupted video on YouTube. Don't publish it publicly. Just upload it as draft. Number 2 is wait for 24 hours in order for it to be 100% sure. But in my experience, after you upload it, you can download it right away. And number 3, download the video. all the video you uploaded, and voila, your video has been repaired. This technique is discovered by me, Richard Belen, and first revealed on Belen Family Vlog. I can only ask you, as a repay, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. That is only 3 steps. Upload a corrupted video on YouTube. Don't publish it publicly. Just upload it as draft. Wait for 24 hours in order for it to be 100% sure done. But in my experience, after you upload it, you can download it right away. Download the video, all the video you uploaded, and voila, your video has been repaired. Ang hirap mga kaibigan hirap mag-uri English. Meron pa ako ng ganito mga kaibigan, ho. Oh, pakita ko sa inyo, oh. Meron pa ako ng mga sulat. Oh, tapos sablay pa din ng pag-record ko ng video. Diyos me, mas maganda talaga mag-tutorial. Talagang magaling ka. Wala na eh. Pero ang gusto ko ng mga kaibigan sa linyahan. Asa na nga ba yun? Meron ako dito paborito na linyahan eh. Tatawa nga ako eh. Again, this technique is discovered by me, Richard Belen, and first revealed on Belen Family Vlog. Okay na rin yan. Tama na rin yan. Para abnormal mga kaibigan. Pero okay na rin yan. Kasi para ano ba tawag yan? Win-win situation ba yan? Yung na-advertise mo din yung mo. It is a way of advertising your channel or your product or marketing yourself. Kaso mo parang anggara nga kaibigan. Natuwa lang kasi ako. Actually alam niyo naman na itong channel is family vlog lang, no? Hindi naman to tutorial vlog, pero alam ko kasi lagi na experience ng mga nag-GoPro to eh, yung mga kapag halimbawa ang nangyayari kasi mga kaibigan, ang totoong nangyayari niyan kaya minsan ako corrupt is sabi ko nga kanina, kapag halimbawa nalobat bigla yung bago mag-write ng data sa disk sa memory card mo is biglang namatay yung GoPro mo, malaki ang chance na makorrupt yung videos. Pero pag sa power failure, hindi dapat lahat ng videos mo nakokorrupt. Iba 'yon. Kapag halimbawa kaibigan, ang videos mo nakorrupt tapos lahat sila possible kaibigan sa settings 'yun ng GoPro. Sa settings 'yun ng GoPro na hindi kinakaya ng iyong memory card. Halimbawa, ang memory card mo is yung parang mumurahin lang or yung universal lang, tapos tumira ka ng ang codex niya is HA